Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kaisar Mustafa Bhutta, President Pakistani American Republican Party. During the campaign, I request all my Pakistani community, please vote President Donald Trump and all candidates of Republican Party, Republican team. You look at the word Republican and you vote. Looking forward to at the victory.
My name is James Cyprian. I am the Vice President of Pakistani American Republican Party. Here with my President, Mr. Kaisar Bhutta, I request and appeal to all of my Pakistani friends to vote for Donald Trump as President in the forthcoming election and vote for all the Republican candidates, not only in Brooklyn but all over the New York and United States of America. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. God bless you all. God bless America. God bless Pakistan.